If you can, please download or print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. Cecile invited 175 movie critics to preview his new movie. After seeing the movie, he's conducted a survey. Cecile has almost completed the two-way table. Part A. Determine the value of A. Before we answer the questions, so better if we can complete the table first. So we know that 65 plus this is equal to 102. So we go 102 minus 65. So which equal to, so just go 102 minus 65. So it's 37. So just write 37 here. So I just fill it up first. So this is 37. And I can answer A now, but before I do that, I just complete the table first. And we can find this empty shell here. So to do this, so we just go 175 minus 102, because 102 add this one here to give me 175. So I just go 170 minus 100 is 70. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 73. Otherwise, just use your calculator. So I just write 73 here. Then I can fill up this box here. So to do this, I know that this at 33 is equal to 73. So to do this, I just go 73 minus 31. So 70 minus 30 is 40. And then that is 42. So now I can just answer all these questions. So to find the value of A, so we go 37 plus 31 is equal to A. So I can just write A is equal to 37 plus 31. So make sure we need to show working out. So 37 plus 31 is 68. So A is equal to 68. Part 2. A movie critic is selected at random. What is the probability that the critic was less than 40 years old and did not like the movie? So we know that is the critic is less than 40 years old. So that is here less than age of 40. And then did not like movie. So we need to focus on this column here. And did not like movie. So that is this row here. So did not like movie. So that is 42. So the probability is equal to 42 out of the total. So which is 175. And then you can simplify that. Otherwise, you can just put in a calculator. So it's 42 over 175, which equal to 6 over 25. So that is the probability. Now, let's move to part 3. Cecile believes that his movie will be a box office success if 65% of critics who were surveyed liked the movie. Will this movie be considered a box office success? Justify your answer. Justify your answer means you have to do mathematical calculations. Now we just need to work out the probability that who like the movie. So who like the movie is this row here. So the total of number of people is 102. So the probability is equal to 102 out of the total, which is 175. But then we want to compare in percents. So which is times by 100%. So work out, see how many percent it is, okay? So which equal to, so just put in the calculator. So 102 divided by 175 times by 100%. So that is 58.29%, correct to 2 decimal place. So 58.29%. So that is less than 65%. So therefore the answer is no. So I just write here. So therefore is no, because it is less than 65%. I can just write because it is less than 65%. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So first of all, we know that there are 200 people are tested. So in another word, So in another word, 74 plus 12 plus 16 plus A is equal to 200 people. So to find A, so I just write in this space here. So part 1, so A will equal to 200 minus 74 minus 12 and minus 16. I just write here minus 16. So which equal to, so I go 200 minus 74 minus 12 and minus 16. So the answer is 98. So I can write the answer here first. Part 2. A person selected from the test group is a carrier of the virus. What is the probability that the test results would show this? So first of all, we know that the person is selected from the test group is a carrier of the virus. So that means we focus on this row here. And the total of this is 74 plus 12. So 70 plus 10 is 80. So 4 plus 2 is 6, so 86. So the total of this is 86 first. So the question is, what is the probability the test is positive? So this is positive. So I just write part 2 here. So the probability is equal to 74 over 86. So I can just simplify this by just putting a calculator. So 74 over 86. So the answer is 37 over 43. Part 3. For how many of the people tested were their results inaccurate? So this means that the people who have virus and tested negative. So that is have virus here but test negative. So this is inaccurate. And the people who do not have virus and but then test positive. So this is 16. So these are the people test inaccurate. So the number of people, which is add them up. So which is 16 plus 12, which equal to 28 people. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Part 1. A person is selected at random from the group surveyed. Calculate the probability that the person lives in a city and has never water skied. So this means that we need to focus on the person who live in a city and have never water skied. that is 2,500 over the total number of people surveyed. That is 150 plus 70 plus 2,500 and plus 800. So I just add the total up first. So total of number of people who surveyed is 150, add 70, add 2,500, and we add 800. So that gives me 3,520. So therefore, the probability, alright, this is part I. So the probability is 2,500 over 3,520. Of course, I can simplify that. So I just put that in a calculator. 2,500 over 3,520. So that is 125 over 176. So 125 over 176. Now part 2, to compare. So in order to do this, we need to find the percentage of the people who live in a city have water, sky, and the percentage of people who live in a country have sky. Then we can make a decision from there. So country, so the probability is equal to, so we know that it's 70 out of course, we're not out of total because we compare the country. So what's the percentage of people in a country have water, sky? So we just need to find a total. So 70 plus 800 is 870. So which is 870. So easier if we convert to percentage. Okay, so times by 100%. So that's give me 8.05%. And for the city, so the probability is equal to, so if I add these two together, so that give me 2,650. P is equal to 150 over 2,650 and times by 100%. So that is equal to, so just put in the calculator. So 150 divided by 2,650 times 100. So 5.66. So 5.66%. So therefore, the claim from the newspaper article is true. So just right here, therefore, it is true. Thank you so much for watching.